obviously they, propolis it in place, so I'm not too worried about it tipping. You can see it separating right there, okay? So it's not supposed to do that. And just stick a stick in there in that spot so it holds it open. This is a nice setup, easy way to feed. It's cheap, especially if you already own a mason jar. And a lot of people talk about how they get the ring stuck inside that hole in the inner cover there. So all I've done is, oh, look how cute they are. Hello, my little girls. They're like, there's a little bit of honey left. There's a tiny bit of honey left. We have to get it. So all I've done is taken and put 2 sticks that I found on the ground across the hole, and I balance the jar on top of it. And then obviously they, propolis it in place, so I'm not too worried about it tipping. But it's pretty well balanced on those 2 sticks. So that's just a cheap, easy way to feed your bees. You don't need any special equipment. All you need is those 2 sticks, mason jar, and an extra box. Another trick, make sure your equipment is in good shape. And if it is not, make a note of it and use the winter to go ahead and prepare to replace that equipment. I'll give you an example of what my problem is right now. All right, you see this right here? This frame, when I pull up on it, hang on a second, I'll show you. You can see it separating right there, okay? So it's not supposed to do that. I gotta press it back down, and it's not doing a good job, so I'll fix that. But you can see it's separating. So it turns out this one is doing the same thing, and I'm pretty sure the rest of them are okay. And then of course this has dry rotted out. So I have 3 frames in here, 2 of which, if the comb's in good condition, I will simply re-glue and fix and replace with some more nails and stuff. And then this one, dry rotted, will have to be replaced entirely. So that is what winter is for, working on your equipment. If you're having a hard time, you're over here wedging open your box and trying to get it lifted, and it's heavy and the propolis is really stuck, and you get it up like this, but then as soon as you pull your tool away, it just settles right back down, right? So 2 things that I do. Number 1, I keep my hand up here and I keep pulling up. But then I also, and you can see I've already done it here, I take my hive tool and lift up the box enough that I can go ahead and just stick a stick in there in that spot so it holds it open. And then I can continue to wedge the rest of this apart. And once I get this one side wedged apart, then I just take the whole box and I twist. And that usually breaks the rest of the seal. And then it shouldn't be an issue whatsoever. You shouldn't have to worry about any of the propolis re-sticking at that point in time.